So we all know what it takes to build a quality home. The amount of effort, resources, and stakeholders involved, it can be staggering. Just imagine the amount of effort it takes when your goal has never been attempted before.
You've never seen anything quite like this.
This is the moment we've been waiting for. We're going coast to coast
To find the latest, greatest,
and coolest stuff for your house.
I'm Amy Matthews.
And I'm Kevin O'Connor.
And this
Is This New House.
This is one of the country's highest performance homes.
This ain't your grandma's house.
With state-of-the-art systems like solar electricity, solar hot water, and a geothermal heating and cooling system, it's a showcase of forward-looking products and materials.
One of the hot new things of the market is this, a whole house dashboard, and it tells you all sorts of useful information. Wake up in the morning, punch in the weather. Boom. Check the traffic for your morning commute. Boom. Use the intercom to call up to your kid's bedroom and ask them for the third time, hey, let's get going. And then you can use the camera at the front door to see who's ringing the bell. This screen shows how much energy is used and how much energy the solar panels have made. If you're living in a house like this, you might actually make more power than you consume. Think about that. Your house as a power plant.
The CleanTech home is located in Beverly, Massachusetts. It's a 4,200 square foot home, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2-story structure. So this is an energy efficient and sustainable home that was built in a New England style to break the stereotype that often comes along with building sustainably. So here are some of the systems that are in the home. We have a geothermal heating and cooling system. We have a 95% modulating gas-fired boiler. We have a conventional air conditioning system as well. The envelope of the home performs dramatically better than most, and it's made from materials that are found on the Space Shuttle. The material that we've insulated the envelope with is a closed-cell 2-pound spray foam. It does make for an extremely tight envelope, which is great, but along with that, you've got to provide for air exchange. So we have air exchange systems that allow us to introduce fresh air into the home based on the program. Our mechanical room is a room that you won't find in your typical home. It's comprised of all of these utilities and then also power and energy producing devices, all sort of feed down into this room. As well, our home automation and all of the hardware and components that support the operation of the house are found there. So while this home has all of the typical rooms that most homes have, we have a family room that has an integrated theater and media setting. That makes it very exciting, and it's a room where I think the family is probably going to hang out and enjoy quite a bit.
So this CleanTech house utilizes the AMX Home solution, and the components that we've integrated and are controlling are lighting and shades, intercom, distributed audio and video, security, and the cameras, traffic cameras, web cameras, the weather integration, and of course energy management. So the AMX components we're using in the house include the Netlink's NI3100, auto patch, presys switchers. For touch panels we're using the 1000 VI, the 700 VI, the 500i, and the wireless MVP 5200 with the in-wall dock. And we're controlling the local video zones with the R4 remote. So this CleanTech home is this great sustainable model, and that also presented the biggest challenge. We've all gone through and integrated lighting and security and all these other systems in the past, but to be able to pull the energy usage into one easy to use system really was our biggest challenge. My job was to determine what's the best solution. Even though I'm an AMX dealer, is there a better solution out there that can integrate the whole house, not just the control side, but this energy piece? So we spent a lot of time with a few other manufacturers, specifically Control 4, and found out that their solution just really didn't have that flexibility that we needed. So ultimately, we came back to AMX, realizing that with AMX Home, we could get to 80% of what we needed right out of the box. And then that last 20%, we could utilize some of these best-of-breed utility systems and take it beyond just monitoring various systems into managing all those different components.
The AMX Home User Interface shows energy alerts providing real-time utility usage, including real-time utility usage information icons that monitor energy consumption. From the Energy Management Center, you can see a comprehensive overview of the total home utility consumption and cost. At a glance, you see the overall electrical consumption detailing the areas most important to you. And you can review historical data the way you want by simply adjusting the parameters. AMX Home has 4 separate circuit groups with up to 42 associated circuits for specific utility analysis. The Energy Manager even monitors energy production like solar panels. Plus, you can even make macro changes to utilities all from a single Go Green page, all designed to make it easy to conserve energy. Putting you in control so you can save money and the environment too. We call that AMX Home Energy Management. And the most unique thing about the CleanTech Home is that it's not for sale. The CleanTech Home is open to the public as a learning facility focusing on innovative green technologies and environmentally friendly construction practices. The home is available for open houses, guided tours, and special events. Learning institutions and professionals are welcome to contact CleanTech to schedule a visit. AMX Home Energy Management and the CleanTech Home, partnering together to create intelligent, innovative home energy management solutions.